Snowflakes, and welcome to this video. So in this video I am teaching you how to do some really awesome Coachella hairstyles. And also I have one makeup look, and it's the makeup look that I'm using throughout the video, but I'm just changing my lipstick up so that you can see how you could take this simple makeup look and make it look different with different lipsticks. I know Coachella is like just around the corner, so I wanted to share some hairstyles with you guys so that you can plan for that and get ready for it. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I taught you guys how to make a lot of flower headbands for Coachella. This video I'm going to teach you how to take the headbands and how to do hairstyles with them. So let's get on into it. So to begin with this makeup, I am using the Rock Nudes palette, and I'm going to be working with a dark blue shade, and I'm kind of blending it out to a light purple shade. I wanted this to be a little bit more dramatic than usual just because this is Coachella that we're talking about. Then I am using my favorite butterfly mascara. It is super good. I'm not using the waterproof one, I'm just using the regular one because I do want this to come off at the end of the night. Then after, I'm using a variety of different lipsticks, and I will have them listed down below. So throughout this video, I decided to change up every one of my lipsticks in every one of these tutorials. So this first hairstyle, you just let your hair down and you put on your headband, and then you pull your bangs back into the headband. Super simple, super cute, and awesome if you're in a hurry. Number two is more of a hippie type style. So I'm taking little pieces of my hair and I'm braiding them all the way down and tying them with an elastic. And you're supposed to do this all the way around your head. I just did it in the front, but do it all the way around your head and make sure there's evenly spaces in between. Use any color elastics. I decided to use black since my outfit would be black and my headband is black. Then you just put your headband on and that's it. I finished this look off with some black lipstick, and I think it makes me look super hippie. This next hairstyle works off of the last one, so leave your hair like it was in the last one, except I'm using a different headband, and then you're also going to use a hair crimper. And what you're going to do is crimp in between the braids, and it adds a lot of different texture in your hair, and it looks super cute. Now do this through your entire head. I only did it in the front for video purposes, but do it all around your head. And then add your headband, and it is super cool because of the different textures. Next, we were doing my favorite space buns. So I decided to leave the little braids in my hair and just do some buns on each side of my head. And I thought it added a cool look to it with the braids in it. Then you can add a headband or ribbon, whatever you'd like. Hairstyle is for a girl who doesn't really like headbands but wants to look festive still. So you're going to part your hair, and you're going to take some ribbon and tie it at the top, and you're going to braid the ribbon in your braids. And you're going to have two braids, and this ribbon is going to go throughout your braid and kind of hang down and look super cute. I actually think it looks like a bit sporty, but I think it's kind of cute too. After you've braided and you have stuff hanging at the bottom, cut it, but make sure you don't cut your own hair. And I think it looks pretty cute. This next hairstyle is for like a faux shaved head. If you want to make it look like you shaved one part of your head, you just twist back a few pieces of hair and bobby pin them, and then wear your hair on one side. I also added a headband. Lastly, for this last tutorial, you're going to need your headband, and you're going to have the texture in it from the crimping and the texture in it from the braids. And then you're also going to add a few curls throughout your hair. This adds a lot of different texture in your hair, and it makes your hair look super cute. Lastly, add your headband, and that's it. I think it looks so adorable and so unique. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I put a lot of thought and effort into it, and it's actually going to be one of my favorite videos. So let me know which hairstyle you like down below. I think that my favorite hairstyle was the one where I wore this one and I had the braids hanging down, and then I had like the crimping. I really thought that this one was pretty cool. I'll see you in my next video super soon, and make sure you guys have so much fun at Coachella. Bye!